This is your hollow body hold. Come to your back and press the lower back into the floor, so sucking the belly button towards the spine. Your first variation is going to be lifting the shoulder blades off the ground, looking at your belly button, and just holding here. If this feels easy to you, you have the option of floating your legs up into tabletop while maintaining this. If your lower back starts popping off the floor, that's your cue to come back down to the original. If this even feels easy for you, you can feel free to extend out with the legs straight. The biggest thing being to keep the lower back pressing into the ground. And those are your options for a hollow body hold.